Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week what we're going to be trying to do is make chalupas. Now, a while back we had a thing there, your favorite taco thing. Mine actually is chalupa. Had them a couple years ago there. I looked it up and found a easy recipe, it says. It's using canned biscuits. Hopefully you see that there. And we got our tortilla press here. And then I've got the oil heating up over here at the stove. Now I went ahead and cheated a little bit. Well, I didn't really cheat, but we made our taco sauce yesterday. The burger was getting ready to run out. Carolyn shredded us up some cheese. We've got lettuce, we got tomato, and of course sour cream. We all like sour cream on our tacos and such there. I've let the biscuits sit out for just a little bit to warm up. Yeah, Carolyn, she can just eat it. Well, I can too. But went ahead, let the biscuits sit out here for a minute there to warm up. If we can get it open now. Used to, I didn't have no trouble opening these things up. There, it exploded. Alrighty. Now I went ahead and got the big ones. We're going to try it and see if it works anyway. Hopefully it does. Press them out nice and thin. Hopefully you're seeing this here. Yeah, you guys are. Alrighty. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll bring yins over here. Stretch that out just a little bit more. I'll bring yins over here to the stove. Let me go check our temperature. I'll be right back. Alrighty, our oil is up to 375. Lay that in there like that. And the recipe I'd seen on there said like a couple minutes on each side. We'll see for ourselves. It's already starting to get brown. I don't believe we'll go 2 minutes. Now, let's go ahead and flip it over here. I've got us a plate sitting over here with paper towel on it. Let it dry some of the oil up. Now we're going to kind of fold it up a little bit. Easier said than done. Where it'll have a little bit of a shape to it there when we go to put our stuff on there. Like I said, hopefully this turns out. Go ahead and squeeze it up a little bit more. Now, let me set it over here on the towel, let it be a draining. I'll see if it'll fold a little bit more. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got it folded up here now. Now, we'll get a couple more of these fixed up. I'll be right back. Now what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and fry up all 8 of them there. And then they can be cooling. We don't want to burn nobody up. Then I'll get them all in here and they can fix up however they want theirs fixed. And then we'll give it a taste test. Might be able to just use regular flour tortillas in there too. I don't know. If you've done it before, let us know in the comments. Messing Carolyn's stove up, I can see that. Let it cook just a little bit more there. I ain't gonna bore you showing you all these here cooking. We'll be back here shortly. Alrighty, we're getting close. Got 2 more. Now I put it in the cast iron skillet. That cast iron will help keep the temperature up more. Holds the temperature better. Alrighty. Now, we'll see in just a minute for the taste test. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and assemble this one here, and then we'll get them in here for a taste test. Put this a little bit of smear on top here. I should have went ahead and put us some sour cream on there first. Put us a little bit of cheese. A little bit of lettuce. And then some tomato. Alrighty, we'll get them in here and have them try it. Alrighty, I kind of made a mess there when I went to cut it up. Shug, Dan? You notice Carolyn grabs that one on the side where you can see all the cheese coming out of.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I left a tomato.
That's delicious.
Not exactly like the ones at Taco Bell, but it's good.
Mm-hmm. It's delicious.
I think it's actually better. That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, trying to talk with my mouth full. Now, they can each customize their own. I would suggest putting the sour cream on first, not do like I did.
Good.
Alrighty, folks. Quick, simple. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank y'all for watching.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky. Morning dew and a rooster's cry. Garden row stretching far and wide. Another summer day on the countryside. Tomatoes growing, beans on the vine. Sweet corn standing tall in line. The flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold. Simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead. Working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled. Thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill. Living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green. One of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze. The kind of life that puts your mind flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold, another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's grown and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. So thank you all for coming along with us, for every comment, sharing all your love. We hope you'll join us down the road ahead, here on Holmans Homestead today.